Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to add non-clickable links in the menu of the website using Ocean WP theme. So let's get started. We can easily create non-clickable links by simply adding custom links. However, when a user clicks it, a hashtag symbol will be added to the URL. As you can see here, this is my website, and when I click on these custom links in the menu, you can see a hashtag symbol has been added to the URL. To make this link 100% non-clickable, what you need to do is move back to the WordPress website. Hover onto Appearance and click on Menus. Now click on the custom menu links to expand the box. Here you can simply click on Disable the link. You can do so with various custom links in your menu of the WordPress website. Once you are done, click on the Save Menu button. Now let's visit the website and check the changes. On refreshing the page, let me click on the custom menu links. You can see the menu link has now become completely non-clickable. So this was all about how to add non-clickable links in the menu of the website using the Ocean WP theme. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.